Welcome to Dr. Ashish Parnani YouTube channel. I'm Dr. Ashish. I welcome you in this amazing new video. Today's video is about how to use gamification and engage your learners. First of all, let's understand what is gamification. Gamification is a process of using game-based or game design principles in the non-gaming context to engage learners and to inspire them. Now, the question here comes, what are those game design principles that you can use in a non-game context? Such as badges, rating system, ranking system, leaderboards, point system. These are some of the examples of game design principles and you can use in a non-game context. For example, let's say you had a quiz, and in a quiz you had an online quiz or an offline quiz, and you can give them a leaderboard, who's number 1, number 2, number 3. You had a Q&A round and people are giving you answers, your learners are giving them answers, and every answer you give them a 1-pointer. Now this will help you to revise even better. Same way, you can use them in different methods and different ways. Now you are not playing a game, and that's the beauty of it. Game-based learning is different thing, where we actually play games. Here we are just using the game design principles in a non-gaming situations or non-gaming context. I hope you get the point. So use it wherever you can. If you want to engage your learners, if you want to inspire them, and also bring a little bit of healthy competition as well, you can do so. I hope that you find something new in this video. If you are a trainer, a professional trainer, a corporate trainer, and if you need more help in understanding about gamification or how to wow your learners in an offline and online environment, I would love to help you. Please reach back or call me or WhatsApp me, and I would love to help you in knowing that. If you are a trainer and looking for any certification program, Skillua is there to help you in that journey of yours as well. We would love to certify you on a global scale so that you can start or accelerate your professional training or coaching journey. Share this video with your known friends and your training circle, your networking, so that they can also know about this amazing concept of gamification and enhance their learning. If you have not subscribed this channel, I would request you to please hit the subscribe button so that you can know of the new videos as well. Till the next time, bye bye.